What's up, guys? Boss Hannes coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another? Make me go off like
Look at this dude.
Why you do it, John? Bang! But as usual, guys, right before getting on, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps. Happy Wednesday, Miss Sinus. Yeah, today is Wednesday. So shout out to my people. Happy hump day. Hump day, hump day, hump day. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. Today, alright. No peace. I get right tonight. No itching. It look like a little thing I go on between Maroon Town and JCF, you know what I mean? Yeah, Jamaica Constabulary Force. What is happening? Watch a video. It's gonna be crazy.
Alright, I'm just about to place. Get back, run up in there. Never mind! We are finding them right now! Right now we are finding them in our bush.
Them no reason why we are camp. We leave all of my shit. We come in jump and we come in gun. I jump, we come in. And we come in gun. So who bother? Me know that who not, but who not find gun. Who not find gun from boy. Can't shoot nobody else, so. I own a man. Chief, I talk to you. Red shirt, man. Boy, I back up gun and put up gun and I cut up. I owe you. Oh, I know you, youth. And the chief, I know you. The chief, I know you. We have evidence. No, we have evidence. I'm not joking. We're not joking. The chief wants to talk to you. We're not joking. Chief, I come. Chief. Hold on. Clear this bomb buckler. Clear this. Hold the phone. Chief.
Come on, we up on the chair.
Watch out.
Keep on, big boo. I shall keep on. Keep on, she keep on.
What the
heck? Oh!
Shankade, shampoo nigga. I shaka your pum pum. Shaki nigga pum pum. I she can pan your pum pum. Oh! You say that me hear him say no. You know what I mean? Yeah, yo, you know, on a serious note, you know, say I spell him does. A witchcraft him does do. A witchcraft that me not chop, me no know what him say, but that a witchcraft. Cause no people don't know. When no people don't know Maroon Town, them known for that. Yeah? Witchcraft. And this the nanny come from. Remember she catch bullet with her body, yeah? Alright, peeps, you see that? It's crazy. So, Chief Richard Curry, or Curry, made this post and he tagged the Jamaica Constabulary Force in this. And he's saying that today I was alerted by the Maroon of the Beth Salem that rogue members of the JCF, which is Jamaica Constabulary Force, have returned to an area to extort money in return for not cutting their crops. Note, this is not the first, the third time the Maroon has witnessed this violation. We like to know if this is an official operation approved by the Jamaica Constabulary Force to cut down crops in Maroon territory? Question sign. Just saying. Only a few weeks ago, residents affirmed that the same members of the JCF were in the district to perform their nefarious act upon the hard-working Maroon farmers in the territory. Upon investigation, we realized that these were not honorable members of the JCF. These were men, 6 in total, posing in casual clothes, bearing high-powered rifles that were pointed at the Maroon people on our lands. They came and left in big police truck, and we have license plates for further investigation. The office is currently making calls to the necessary authorities in the JCF to demand answers. The records also reflect that my administration had made multiple attempts to reach out to the various departments of the GOJ, which is the government of Jamaica, since taking office regarding the diplomacy, and we have not received any meaningful response to date. Sound ya bang. So you see, according to the chief, the JCF man them, I come up there in a casual clothes, I extort the farmers them and the Maroon farmers them.
So they are real police.
It looks so, but them I extort them up them in sign us for get money so them not cut down them crops. So away them a plan, so I don't know. All if the big, you know what I mean, the marijuana, the purple skunk. I don't the Maroon town is outside of the government thing. Certain law, for them law different from our law, you know. Them have them own judge, them own everything, you know. Them, for them, our law out here, so don't apply to them because them have this, jeez.
But it's Jamaica.
Yeah, but them outside of Jamaican jurisdiction are our law and stuff like the regular town. Based on something we signed way back in the days and stuff like that. Maroon town not deal with them high-tech thing where we have and all them thing there. It's bag of TV and them thing. Them not even have light posts up there and nothing like that. Them place different. It's a total different type of living. It's like natural living and stuff like that. Them not have no prime minister, them have chief. Them have them own law. Them have them own court system. Alright peeps, check out the next video and know. That when you call Walmart. Mana sapate? Talamina wewa.
Why? My boss a move out the bicycle. She fierce. She feel out there.
A shopping man you going on? And you to look. When you cut that door there? You don't realize camera watching it. You feel a bullfrog.
A toad.
Ooh. Watch out.
Waka.
Waka.
And the fish.
A fish gun.
The fish thing. Where
Fan?
So wait, they went.
One old fan, Walkley Steve, old fan.
No, so stop now. Why am I gonna move with that?
He's back again.
Bicycle.
And it looks
Foreign things the boy gone with. I don't know what in them bag there. Him got again.
Paint. No man, a Christmas paint.
Paint. Watch out. Paint again. Paint. Brother back hurt him now, you know. Brother come back tired, him a sweat.
Okay.
Igloo. Pan. I want bag. I don't know what that. Watch out. I don't know what in them bag, yeah. Watch him.
Hold up.
No, I'm not gonna move with all of them.
That me not gonna say. A smaddy in the area do that. What do you think? Smaddy in the area do that. Car and nothing in move. Unless him have one vehicle out the front.
Far with that.
In can't go far. And in,
If I bicycle, I try to move pan police, I catch him before.
first of all, if I the bicycle and put everything pan, you is the skillest thief in the entire universe. Sir, you a thief-ologist. You, my youth a my youth shopping, my youth come and hold him and pan himself like him a say, tell me in a way you want. You can go shopping. Sir.
Why?
Anyway, on a serious note, please be vigilant. Watch. Me no know. Just be careful out the road, do. Cause it rough. It rough a road. Wagwan peeps, hope you enjoy them video there and thing, you know. Yeah. You know, Maroon Town versus JCF. Yeah man, something. Oh nah do up there. Oh nah do up by people them place. But now start the people allegedly by the chief. Him says I know me. Yeah, nobody attack me. Where you do up there? Now that thief here, brother. Your sample still. Your sample and you're brave. You go back and forth about how much time? 7, 8 times. My youth, you're not afraid people catch you up. I can't do that someday. In a night, in a morning. What was a morning that? That's crazy. But anyway, peeps, just comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole video and thing. And just share your comments. You know? Thank you very much for watching. And right after this, we'll go stream, so check us out over the gaming channel. Me and Miss Sinus, you know. Indeed, Call of Duty and some zombies. You know what I mean? That's why the man says zombies. But yeah, anyway, peeps, big up on yourself. Miss Sinus, tell people them hello, make them hear you.
Hello.
Oh my God, that's Miss Sinus voice. No bad mind. A joke. Yeah, right. She's going her rising star mode, you know. Can't bother with her. Why never enter it? But anyway, she bad for the singing. But anyway, peeps, yeah, so right after this, I'll go over and stream. So go check out our gaming channel and thing. I'll look out for your vlog later too, where I share some 1 and 2 points and thing. Alright, so big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo! Hey.
Yeah.